Another scenario. وَكَذَا إِذَا كَانَ الْمَدِينُ مُمَاطِلًا. What is the meaning of mumatil? Negligent, careless. He has the money. So now he's not giving you money. The date is due. He has the money. He's not giving it to you. Then take necessary legal action against him if you have legal documents. وَإِجْبَارُ عَلَى الْأَدَاءِ. So you can force him. Go to the police. You can go to the authorities. وَلَوْ بِالرُّجُوعِ إِلَى الْمَحَاكِمِ الْحُكُومِيَّةِ. Even by referring to the civil courts, governmental courts. أَوْ كَانَ جَاحِدًا. Or no, he's stubborn. He says, no, I'm not going to give you. وَأَمْكَنَ إِثْبَاتُهُ. See, documentation, witnesses, you were able to prove the debt. So, أَوْ كَانَ جَاحِدًا. He's stubborn, he doesn't want to give you. وَأَمْكَنَ إِثْبَاتُهُ. It was easy to prove your debt. وَأَخْذُهُ. And take away from him. أَوْ التَّقَاص مِنْهُ. What does that mean? Let's say your friend or your brother is not giving you money. He needs to give you $5,000 or $10,000. Your Hajj, you need to go for Hajj. You need to take it. The date is due. He has the money. He's not giving you. So what happens that you can take your money back by hook or by crook. If the authorities are not helping you, you can sneak on him and take your money back. Because it's your money. He doesn't have any legal right, any religious right to keep your money with him. This is called maqasa. You tried, you spoke. Like one day, he stopped at the grocery and you saw him and his car switch was inside his car. And he went to buy some grocery. And you came you sneaked in like a Pink Panther and you got in the car and took the car away. Okay? And he comes out from the grocery and doesn't, where did my car go? So because it's your money. So if he doesn't give you, you can sell his car. Okay? And if he makes a legal action, you make a legal action that this is my document. He's stubborn. He's not giving me my loan money. Let him give me first my money back. I'll give him his car back. Otherwise, this car, I'm going to sell it. I'm going to take my money and give him the money which is remaining from the car. This is called maqas. So, وأمكن إثباته وأخذه أو التقاص منه أو كان الدين مؤجلا. So this is the scenario. You found this money, you can take it because it's not his money. It's only that month. If you find $20,000 in your excess, his money, take only 5,000 because your money is 5,000. Don't swallow the whole thing. أو كان الدين مؤجلا. No, the time is remaining. I mean, it's the date is not due. وبذله المدين من قبل نفسه قبل حلول الأجل. Remember, the guy, he came to me. Oh, you're going for Hajj. You want to go for Hajj. This is your, no, don't give me now. Don't, otherwise Hajj will become wajib on me. Like, go for Hajj. No. We said your due date is after 1 month. Come after 1 month. No, you cannot say no. Okay? وَبَذَلَهُ الْمَدِينَ مِنْ قِبَلِ نَفْسِهِ. By himself, he provided the debt money قبل حلول الأجل, before the due date. دون ما إذا توقف بذله على مطالبة الدائن مع فرض كون التأجيل لمصلحة المدين كما هو الغالب. Normally, when people, they want to give the money back, it is for their good peace of mind, return the money back. Okay? So دون ما إذا توقف بذله على مطالبة الدائن مع فرض كون التأجيل لمصلحة. So it should not be because you demanded it. Okay? ما إذا توقف بذله على. No, if he gives him by himself, if he gives the money by himself, that's. But if you say, give me money back, maybe he has the money, but he doesn't want to give you the money. Maybe there is some kind of benefit for him, some kind of maslahah for him to keep the money until the due date happens, which is normally what is found in people who take the money. If they just want to get rid of it. But if they keep it, there might be some maslahah. They might be afraid that something might happen. I may need this money. So let me give this money on the due date. Hajj becomes obligated if you get your money, not go and ask your money and the date is not due.